Hi everyone, in this video we'll make Kalua pork, also known as Kalua pig. We'll cook 5 pounds of pork shoulder butt that should serve 6 to 8 people. First we'll cut the slab into 2-inch thick sections and then add 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke and 2 tablespoons of Hawaiian salt or coarse rock salt. Pour and then rub the liquid smoke into the pork, and follow that by pouring and rubbing the Hawaiian salt into the pork also. Cover the pan with foil and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pan on the middle rack and bake for 3.5 to 4 hours. Remove the pan from the oven, remove the foil, and check to see that the pork shoulder butt is fully cooked and easy to shred. Completely shred all 5 pounds of the pork shoulder butt and enjoy.